TheRaeSymone.
I'm fat ass. Girl, you ain't gonna have no sale. Then I try to like get my posture right. So I creep. I don't know why that song in my head. I guess because I'm finna go creep. Like, finna whoop some eyelash ass, okay? I seen something very.
Make sure you're caught up on the vlogs.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from you.
Hey you guys, welcome back to a weekly vlog. I really don't even know if this is a weekly vlog because we are starting this vlog off really late. It is Wednesday and today I just had a productive day. It's hot in here, Lord have mercy. I just recorded a chit chat get ready with me. I also did a reel and now I'm gonna head out to go do some pictures and then we're gonna head to the grocery store so that we can get some groceries up in this house. Yeah, she cute. She real cute. I'm trying to see if I want to show y'all what I got on, if I want, or if I'm gonna make y'all go to my Instagram. I think I'm gonna do that. Go follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram so you can see these pictures because I'm telling you they about to be fire. Okay, let me just show y'all a little glimpse of the top. What's going on with the top? Ooh, not too much. Check out my Instagram like right now. No, after you watch this video. Don't go right now. Watch this video, then go, okay? But yeah, so we finna head out and go take some pictures and go to the grocery store. So I will check back in with y'all. Baby, the way this heat is set up. Nope. Took my pictures and brought my ass right on back to change clothes. Baby, I don't know how we gonna be cute this summer. I don't know. Cause baby, we wasn't even outside that long. And I'm still sweating. Trying to calm down. Yeah, baby, I had to come change. I was gonna change anyway, but I really had to come change. Now we need to go to the store. I'll be back. Dad, close your curtain. So we made it back from the store. I'm so hungry that I started cooking and had him put up the groceries, so I can't even show y'all everything that we got. I did get some kidney yams and greens. I usually make mine from scratch, so don't do me, but I'm on a budget, so I just got the cans. That's for another meal, but tonight we are finna eat burritos. Let me see if I can. Oh! Yeah. Y'all get a haul next time, okay? But right now everything is cooking. We got the meat over here. I'm doing the rice right now. Gonna finish chopping up the cilantro. Got the taco seasoning, some black beans, and some sweet kettle corn, some cheddar cheese, and the tortillas. So as y'all just saw, I made dinner and I was struggling. I ain't gonna lie, y'all see me. I broke like 3 tortillas before I finally figured out how to roll them, but they were really fire. So yeah, I'm nice and full. I'm tired. I'm about to wash my face, watch some TV, and chill until I pass out. I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs. Bye. Good morning. Oh. Good morning, y'all. Good morning. Oh, child. This is raw footage, okay? I didn't get up and get cute and then turn on the camera. I'm just getting up. These press-ons kinda cute. Anywho, last night I did end up wash my face and then I laid down. I started. Oh, where is it? What is this? I was reading this till I fell asleep. This book is funny. And this actually is like a series, and I'm starting off like with, I think this is the second book. So it's a series, but you can really start like any of them, and I think it could be caught up because like I'm reading this story just fine, and this is not even the first one, but I would have liked to read it in order, but I couldn't find the first one, so I just, but this book's so funny, y'all. I was giggling. Oh, I was giggling. I was really giggling, like, out loud. Until I fell asleep. I put it down and fell asleep. Train. Ooh, fun fact, I do not sleep with bonnets on. That's why my hair, I always look a mess. Cause I never sleep with my bonnet on. I don't like to. Especially if I'm with my man, I will not put no bonnet on. I'd rather wake up like this than going to bed with that bonnet on. Like, it's just not sexy. It's just not sexy to me. And I do hair. If I didn't do hair, then of course I would definitely wear a bonnet because I wouldn't have a choice. But I'm glad I do hair. And the times that I do put on a bonnet, and like when I come to the bed, I feel like he be looking like, he probably don't, but I just feel like he be looking like in his head like, fuck. No, I'm weird. I don't wear buttons or nothing on my head. Maybe a scarf, maybe. If it's just around the front and I can still be cute, but I'm weird. But I'm finna get up and see what all I have to do today and check back in. Side note though, I really have tried to wear a bunny like at home when I'm not with him just to see. But on the cool, like a side note, like when I put on a bunny, my hair be like messed up. Like my real hair be fine, you know, but this part be messed up. Like if I go to sleep without a bunny on and I get up, I can kind of brush this and it'll still be like my curls will be in place. But when I put on a bunny and take it off, like it be like all flat and curls going each and every, like it don't be like I can get up, brush it, and I can still be good. So I'm starting to think like bunnies, I don't know, I might just need to get me a silk pillow and just go to sleep like that, because I wake up with better hair. Even though like my top is like crazy, but all I gotta do is brush my hair and I could really be good, and my curls are still, you know, gonna be in place. When I put that bunny on, like, you know, you got it all wrapped up, tucked up in that bunny, them curls don't be right when the next day. So I don't know what to tell my clients now, because I always be like bunny, but honestly, bunny be, my hair don't be right when I take the bunny off. I have to recurl it when I go to sleep with no bunny on. I don't have to recurl it for a couple of days. So yeah, I think I'm team silk pillow, no bunny. And I have a silk pillow case actually. I need to put it in my closet so I can pull it out when I go to sleep. I was doing it, I kind of stopped. Pull it out when I go to sleep, put it back in because it don't match. Yeah, so yeah, I'm team no bunny. Anyway, okay, I'll be back, y'all. Hey you guys, it is Saturday. I haven't really vlogged in between the last time I spoke to y'all because I ain't been doing nothing but working. I just finished working for the day. I did all my clients and I'm finna get ready to go to a gender reveal. So we're about to get dressed. And I'ma just warn y'all, I'm finna look like the other day because I didn't wear that outfit out. I just put it on for pictures. So now I'm finna actually wear it out. So I'm gonna look like the other day, but my makeup be a little bit different or whatever, but yeah. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're going to a gender reveal and wherever else this Saturday takes us. So I'll check back in after I get dressed. Alright y'all, we are ready to go. I'm late as usual. Yeah, but we're already dressed and ready to go. Let me show y'all what I'm wearing since my pictures will already be up by now. Alright, so this is what I have on. These are the pants. I love all the details on them and the bagginess I have on the top. And this is from Pretty Little Thing. And then I'm gonna show y'all This where the gender reveal was. Yes, girl.
I bet people tell you all the time you look like 7th Street, huh?
Yeah.
Yes.
Tell her that all the time.
Oh my God.
When I say, wait, is that 7th Street? I know.
This fool lit, y'all.
I didn't even get to see that because I was like, I want to see her there.
Everybody tells me I look like 7th Street. I don't know why it's in my head.
Yeah, I'm a little tipsy.
Girl, that gonna cost. She ain't drunk nothing. That'll be a cost.
No alcohol. She ain't had nothing. Don't let her fool y'all.
Right now.
She definitely is.
We ain't doing that.
Mike, what you had to drink? What was you doing?
I don't know. She probably don't even know a drink to name.
Mike, what you had to drink?
It's Sunday and I'm headed to Top Golf with my boo. And yeah, I'll just check back in once we get there.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive?
Alright you guys, so I am back from Top Golf. We had a really good time. It was hot. We got a workout on. That was actually my first time doing mini golf at Top Golf. Actually, I really feel like it was my first time doing mini golf. Like, I don't remember ever doing mini golf. I'm trying to think even as a kid. I just don't remember. But we had a really good time. And I'm back home and I'm tired as heck. So I'm probably about to lay it down, maybe watch some TV, do a little editing. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna lay it down.